Alright, I'm just record starting now.
Come.
No, let him eat out of your hand.
Yeah. I'm gonna grab one of them.
No, don't do that. They'll attack you.
So cool.
They'll gang up on you, dude. You don't want to threaten them. Oh.
That's awesome.
Hey, get a video of me too. I have some more bread. Cool.
That's cool, huh?
Yeah.
It's super cool. Oh, you guys are cool. You guys are awesome. You guys know I don't eat pigeons. Crow birds, whatever. Hey guys.
Mm.
Wow, he took the whole thing.
Wee! Wee! I'm out.
Here,
You got some more?
use the rest, yeah.
You got a video of that?
I did, but break them up into smaller pieces so they don't take the whole thing. What are you doing?
Scare them off?
We're videotaping this historic event. Alright, there you go.
Yes, you know.
Yeah.
See, can't take them off, can
Wow.
you? Just trying to.
Wow. It's awesome. Tasty.
That's a lot of steering bread right there. We can get that a whole lot. Yeah, buddy. Want some more?
Oh, he just pooped. Oh, nice guy.
That's cool.
That's cool, huh?
You got the whole thing?